Hello, very good evening, friends. This is Sai Charan. I am back with another video for you in share marketing course. Today, we will discuss one of the most important parameter that everyone must watch. Okay, why we should watch? The reason is first the what is the parameter? The parameter is P by E. Okay, and why we should track? No, see, in the market, the price keep fluctuating upper and lower. Okay, that is everybody knows. And when people willing to buy, when if any share price is coming at a support level, means it is coming at a year low, and the price is staying at a very nice and attractive price, then everyone, you, me, and everybody wants attractive price. Okay, consider the mobile today which you are buying, it is 16,000, and yeah, which is selling at 16,000 yesterday. Today if it comes at 10,000, are you going to buy it or not? Which actually, and it has so many features. When if you compare to other 12,000 phones, means whatever other 12,000, 13,000 phones, all those features have in that 10,000 phones. That means you are profitable, right? That time even if you try to buy it, you can't able to buy that one, because people are so much interested in buying it. Okay, when people purchasing, they are going to get huge deals. Okay, if keep buying, what will happen? If see, universe runs like that. um, One reason, for some reason, most people is going to buy, then what happen? Others also will fall into the same company. Though at the time when everybody bought, though attractive level became now normal level, but people still willing to buy, and afterwards it becomes expensive. That time also people, because the sales are very going very good, that time what people used to think, I should buy it. This is the how uh, will happen in a market. In the same manner, P by E will give you the value means whether it is trading at a good value, whether it is trading at a expensive value, whether it is uh, risky value, anything it could be. uh, Now, how you could see the a good value in a share price? See, in the last previous video, I have discussed you regarding share price. Now the now in this video I am going to give description of P by E. So here P is there. What is P? P is a share price only. It's one share price. And how it is came? All market capital what they have tried to keep the to handle that company, what people bought at some level, and it is the market capital. Okay, market capital divided by total number of shares is share price. Now next, E, P by E. P is share price and E is earnings per share. Okay, here earnings, how we will get earnings is earnings per share is earnings divided by share price. Earnings, what it is? Earnings means profits. Okay, so every company used to publish its profit every year. Okay, Yeah, and not on a 1 year, the company used to publish its result every quarter. Okay, so it is every financial year is divided into four parts: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Total 4 quarters is there. Means 4 quarters earnings divided by total number of shares is EPS. Okay, likewise it is calculated. Consider P by E. Okay, now consider 100 rupees a share worth is there, and the company is earning 20 rupees. Okay, per share. Now the what is the P by E? P by E is 5 rupees. 5 means company is earning um, for every one single share, company is earning 5 rupees. Okay, that is what means if company P by E is 5, then how much percentage you are actually gaining? Though if you know the mathematics from your schooling, then you could calculate like price. Okay, uh, mm, price divided by earnings. Sorry, not we actually how we will calculate the profit percentage? Earnings divided by price into 100, right? That is a formula. Actually means profit divided by um, uh, cost. Profit by the cost of cost into 100 is a profit formula, profit percentage formula. In the same manner here also I am keeping earnings divided by profit. To if we want to earnings divided by price, if we want to calculate, then it is 1 divided by P by E is nothing but E by P. Okay, means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 100, how much? 20%. Means if P by E is 5, then you are going to get 10% profit. If it is if P by E is 10, you are getting 10% profit. If P by E is 20, how much you are getting? You are getting 5%. Profit percentage is 5%. See, so less the P by E, more the company is earning. Okay, means if company is earning more, then you are buying at a very good value. Consider share price is 100 rupees, and um, and company is earning 50 rupees. Okay, so whatever could be the asset, if company is earning per share 50 rupees, then obviously my growth is so fast. Okay, and my company will be going to means every 2 years the company valuation is keep doubling. That that case will be there. Okay, so this like this the share will work. Thank you. I think you all understand this about this parameter. Okay, P by E. um, One statement I want to give: if you want to buy any shares, okay, if P by E is less than 10, I would consider it is as a good the share price is trading at a good price. If company P by E is 10 to 20, okay, then I would consider it is a okay company. Okay, we could buy and though we don't expect, if company profit means in that case also, okay, okay, though we are buying at a P by E at around 10%, 10 only, but the company getting some debt and they are repaying it, and they are making huge money, and they are increasing the net worth of the company. Okay, that means how ROC parameter we will be called, but that parameter we will discuss in later. um, so though the company is okay, if company profit, operating profit level is very high, then you could go and buy in that company. That times it's accepted. Okay, and if the company P by E is more than 25, I would never go into the company to buy that share, because it is trading at a very expensive level. I don't go to buy it. Okay, this is a small insight while buying the share price to watch the P by E. Thank you. I think you all understood this video. If you understood, please put a like and share this video, and give me the feedback if any correction that I have to be done. Okay, thank you.